read the problem and write it in cardinal number format. That is important. Please concentrate and make a note of this formula, n of a intersection b. What is n of a intersection b? So first you should convert word to what? Equation sometimes. Sometimes we have to convert it into cardinal number relation. This is we need to find. So in the beginning we can say how many play football and indoor they want. For how many play football and indoor, we call it as x. Welcome to the session, dear students. So in my last class I gave you the basics of sets and we discussed all the operations in sets. In today's class we are going ahead with the exercise problems. We have word problems. Analyze and understand the word problem and convert it into set operation. See, the first thing is how to analyze and solve. Then substituting in the set operations. We'll see all the type of problems and we'll go ahead. See, now if you want to solve any problem, first you should read the problem and understand what is given and write what is given in the form of cardinal numbers. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಡಿನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ರೀಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಿನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಲೇಟರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ದ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. My dear students, each problem you can do by two methods. One is Venn diagram method. One ಯಾವುದು Venn diagram method and the other one is cardinal number relations or formulae method. So both the methods I will teach you. For each problem, two methods I will be giving. Both you can use. Any method, full marks will be awarded in your board exams. Both the methods are equally important. So sometimes Venn diagram makes you to do the process faster and sometimes cardinal number relation without any complication you can get it. So both are equally important, both will learn. In a class of 50 students, 15 do not participate in any game. They told 15 do not participate in any game and class of 50 students I can treat it as universal set. As soon I read the first line, n of u is given, I will write n of u is 50 and 15 do not participate, they told. 25 play cricket. 25 play cricket. So I'll take set C as cricket. C be the set of students playing cricket. N of C is also given. What is N of C? 25. And further you read 20 play football. So I'll treat F be the set of students who will play football. So I'll tell N of F is 20. Find the number of students who play both. So they want how many students will play both. Playing both means what? Football and cricket. Both means intersection. Both means what? Intersection. This is the question mark. Or I call this as X and you need to find X. So dear students, whenever you want to solve a problem, first read and write what is given. So in a class of 50 students they told, total 50 students are there. Total means universal set. N of u is 15. 15 do not participate in any game, they told. 15 do not participate in what? Any game. So therefore I call that as N of C union F dash. They do not participate, they do not belong to this and this, so union F dash complement will say, that is 15. This is also given. And 25 play cricket. So let C be the set of students playing cricket. Let C be the set of students playing cricket. Be the set of students playing cricket. So first we should symbolize students playing cricket. Similarly, F is what? Set of students playing what? Football. F be the set of students playing what? Football. So like that first I'll symbolize. Now you know what is C, what is F, what is given? 25 play cricket. So N of C, number of players or number of elements in sets is 25. N of F, 20 play football, N of F I wrote. So now first method I will teach you is formula method. In formula method without ambiguity you will get the answer and I will give the same thing in Venn diagram also. So number of students playing cricket is given how much? 25. When you read you will get it. 20 play football they told, that's why N of F, number of students playing football 20 I wrote and they want playing both. Both means intersection. Both means what? Intersection. So we learned intersection means common for both the sets. So the word both can be replaced by intersection. Now onwards remember, both means what? Belongs to both the sets. So you should use the operation intersection. All of you know how to read this. How to read this? Intersection. Now coming to this. Now they are asking you to find how many play both x. So first I will find n of C union F. See, all of you know, I taught you complement relation. Please understand, n of A dash is n of u minus n of A, and vice versa. If I want n of A, it will be n of u minus n of A dash. So if I want n of A, remove A dash from universal. See, please understand, they give C union F dash. If you want C union F, C union F dash is given. So how to find n of C union F? N of C union F is n of universal set minus n of C union F dash. From the universal set, remove F dash. F dash means what? Who do not play both. 15 do not play both. So universal set contains how many? 50. In 50, 15 do not play both. Remove 15. 50 minus 15 gives you how much? 35. So means number of students who are involved in the games, either football or cricket, is 35. Now you got C union F. What you got? C union F. So now that is 35. Now we can use this format to get the answer. Now my dear students, we have a relation called n of A intersection B. Please concentrate and make a note of this formula, n of A intersection B. What is n of A intersection B? N of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. N of A intersection B is what? Cardinal number relation. N of A intersection B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. Similarly, one more relation. Second one, n of A union B. What is n of A union B? N of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. A intersection B is this, A union. If you know intersection, you can find union. If you know union, you can find intersection. What is n of A intersection B? N of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. And what is n of A union B? N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. And one more relation is n of A dash. N of A dash is n of U minus n of A. What is n of A dash? If you want complement from universal, remove the set. Or other one, from this you can derive. If I want just n of A, then I can do n of U minus complement. If you want any set, a number of elements in any set, remove number of elements in universal, remove its complement. If you want n of B, how to find n of B? N of U minus n of B dash. N of U minus what? N of B dash. So these are interesting relations. Once you are thorough with this relation, any problem becomes simpler. Now what is the first relation? N of A intersection B. What is n of A intersection B? N of A plus n of B and minus n of A union B. See, if you want A intersection B, add n of A and n of B and remove union. If you want union, add A and B and remove intersection. If you want complement from universal, remove that set. If I want A dash from universal set, remove number of elements in A. If you want A, if you rearrange this, n of U minus n of A dash. Now, without wasting your time, I hope all of you copied this. Now I'll erase this. I've erased it. Now two things you have to be thorough. If you want intersection, if you want what? If you want intersection, how to read this? N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B, just simple. Find n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. If you do, you will get intersection. Simple. And if you want n of A union B, if you want n of A union B from universal, n of U minus n of A union B the complement. From universal, remove the complement. From universal, if you remove the number of elements in complement, you will get that set. So these two formulae, can you remember these two formulae so that we can go ahead with the problem? What is the first formula? N of A intersection B. What is N of A intersection B? add n of A and n of B and remove union. If you want intersection, from n of A and n of B, remove union. Similarly, if you want union, you can do the other way also. And when you know universal set, and when you know A union B whole dash, when you know A union B the whole dash, from universal, if you remove the complement, you will get the set. Not only union, any set. Suppose if I want n of B, and if you know n of U, from n of U, if you can remove n of B dash, you will get n of B. When you know B dash, remove B dash from universal, you will get B, that's it. I have stopped it here. I made you to become thorough with the formula. Now, my dear students, after reading the problem, we could write union. What is n of C union F? 35. Because they told who do not play both. When you read the statement, they clearly mentioned, see, reading the problem and analyzing, or reading the problem and writing what is given is important. See, here they mentioned 15 do not participate in any game. 15 students are not participating. Not participating means what? Union F the whole dash. Union F the whole dash is what? 15. Who are not involved means only 15. So, then going ahead. So, if you know C union F the whole dash, how to find C union F? C union F is union minus F dash. Who do not participate in both means union the whole dash. From union the whole dash, so union total number of students they give 50. From 50 remove those who do not play, we will get 35. This is union. Union is not given. So we have to find out, we got it. What is n of C union F? 35. Now coming to this, I'll write what is given again. So we know what is n of C, we know what is n of F, we also, just now we got n of C union F. So what are the values they gave? They gave these two, and we found out this. Cricket players 25 and football players 20. Union means out of universal, remove 15 those who do not play. Out of 50 minus 15 we have done, we got 35. So I hope all of you got this. So I rewrite this. In last slide also I have written C union F. If you want, what if you do? From union remove C union F the whole dash. First problem repeatedly, slowly, perfectly I will teach. Once you get the grip, you can do the remaining. So now they want how many play both? How many play what? Both. What is the method I told you? Both means what? Both means n of C intersection F is x. This is what they want you to find. Now you know the formula. What is n of C intersection F? N of C intersection F is n of C plus n of F minus n of C union F. So if you want intersection means both. What is operation intersection? Common elements. What is n of C intersection F? N of C plus n of F minus n of C union F. N of C is given. What is C? 25. N of F is given 20 minus intersection they have not given. Union they gave 35. The union we got 35. So now simplify this. 25 plus 20, 45. 45 minus 35 becomes what? 10. So therefore 10 students play both cricket and football. Cricket and what? Football. So let us take time to understand this and learn this. Once you are through with this, everything is easy. My dear students, I am repeating, word problem plays vital role. When you want to write any aptitude exams, many word problems you have to face. So first you should convert word to what? Equation sometimes. Sometimes we have to convert it into cardinal number relation. In this problem, that's what we have done. So both they want to. Now onwards, what is both? Both means intersection. Number of students playing both cricket and football means they want n of C intersection F. And second thing is they gave those who do not play any game, we call it as union. What is it? Union complement. So in the given list they gave C union F dash was given. C union F dash is how much? C union F dash we can call it as what? 15. 15 students do not play anything they gave. So if you refer this slide, 15 do not play means what? Complement. Number of students, total number of students we call it as universal set. I told you what is universal set? Set containing all the sets as subsets in the context. So universal set means total number of elements is 50, total number of students, cricket players 25, football player 20. They gave who do not play. Who do not play means what? Union complement. Union complement is this. So I have done by formula method. Now first method I taught you. What is the first method? Formula method. In this formula method, what are the two formulae? N of A intersection B. What is N of A intersection B? N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. And similarly, we wanted C intersection F. What is meant by C intersection F? Number of students playing both cricket and football. Both means intersection. What is N of C intersection F? N of C plus N of F minus N of C union F. From, if you want intersection, add all and subtract what? Union. And this union was not given directly. They gave complement. So we found out this was 50 and this was 15. 50 minus 15 gave you 35. That is how we got this. I hope all of you understood this. Plain and clear and simple, and we have done it. Can we do the same problem by other method? Yes, we can do the same problem. This is a formal problem I have given. So now I'll do the same problem by other method. That is Venn diagram method. What is the second method? Venn diagram method. And again we should get the same answer. What is the answer we got? 10. So we'll see. Venn diagram means first you should draw rectangle. You know rectangle represents what? Universal set. So universal set they give. What is the universal set? How many? 50 they give. So U is equal to 50. And two sets are given. One is cricket. One is what? Cricket. The other one is what? Football. So draw two sets. This is set 1, set 2. I call one as C, one as F. How many? Find the number. And they told number of elements in cricket. Number of cricket players is 25 play cricket. This is given. And football players also give. They give. How much they give? 20 they give. This is also given. And who do not play? Who do not play means I told you. N of C union F complement they give. That is 15. 15 do not play anything they told. So now please observe. 15 do not belong to these two. They belong outside. They are present outside. Outside the sets, but is within the universal set. They are the students of the school class, but they do not play in both. So we put them outside. Now then they give 25 play cricket. 25 play cricket means the first circle 25. But how many? Find the number of students who play both. Both means we don't know. Both means I told you intersection. This is what? Unknown. Unknown we call it as X. So in the Venn diagram, this part, this is a common part for both. This is a common part for both. So X will be here. X will be what? Here. Now X is in common part. Intersection region. All of you know this is the intersection region. X. We need to find this. Now please understand. Cricket players. How many cricket players are there? 25 are there. So 25 I would have filled here. But already I filled X here. 25 minus X will be outside. 25 minus X plus X if you do, this circle will become 25. This circle is what? Set of cricket players. So first X be the number of students who will play both is our assumption. What is the assumption? X be the number of students who will play both. Both means what? Intersection. In this region you should put X. 25 minus X comes here. And football. Football. How many play football? 20 play football here. 20 play football. In 20 already we wrote X here. Wrote X here. So 20 minus X is here. Out of 20, already X you filled. If you add all this, it will become 20. So this is a way to fill it. I hope all of you understood. First what I have done, one set is cricket, one set is football. Both, this part is intersection. Intersection we don't know how many are playing. Both means this region I call it as X. 20 are cricket players. Out of 20, already you filled X here. So 20 minus X. And here football, 25 are the cricket, 25 minus X, and football, 20 are football players, but already you have filled X here, so remove X. So 20 minus X and X, 25 plus X, like this. So I hope all of you got this diagram. Any doubts in this? I am repeating, this is my first problem with Venn diagram, so I am repeating repeatedly. This is the first problem we are solving with Venn diagram, right? So slowly, steadily, you can learn and understand. So I hope all of you got what I have done. Now, sum of all these things, see here, both put together, how many are there? C union F. C union F means these two put together. How many are there? Out of 50 students, those who are present outside, you remove them. This will not play anything. 15, that will give you 35. 35 is combination of both. 35 students are there in the football and cricket both put together. So now from the Venn diagram, if I add all this, So we say union. N of C union F cricket combined with this is equal to 25 minus x plus x plus 20 minus x. All of you know in Venn diagram this whole region is called as union. This whole region is called as union. That's why add all and call it as union. So 25 minus x plus 25 minus x plus what is there? What is there here? 20 minus x. This is all the students. How many students are involved in cricket or football? 35. 35 is equal to this 25. I can cancel minus x and plus x. 25 plus 20 minus x is left out. Minus x you bring this side, it will become plus x is equal to 25 plus 20 minus 35. I am rearranging, transfer 25 to the other side. So that will give you, that implies x is equal to 25 plus 20 is what? 45 minus 35, that is 10. So x is equal to how much you got? Therefore x value is what? 10. Now again redraw the Venn diagram by completing this unknown. So x value is 10, so we'll do it. Now I'll redraw the Venn diagram. So in Venn diagram, this was the first Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, this is set of students playing cricket, set of students playing football, universal 50 and remaining 15 do not play anything. So this was x and this total 25 minus x, this is total 20, already x you filled minus x, and we solved and we got x. How to solve this? So n of C union F means n of universal minus those who do not play. 50 minus 15, that will give you 35, and we add all to get this. So when I add all, 25 minus x plus 20 minus x is equal to 35, plus x minus x cancels, 45 minus x is 35, and further if you solve, x is equal to what? 45 minus 35. So rearrange, keep rearranging, you will get 10. That is how we got. And now Venn diagram will complete. There was unknown. Now this is cricket player, this is football player, and 25 minus x. What is 25 minus x? 25 minus x you got. What is x we got? 10. 25 minus 10, this is 15. This will be what? X is what? 10. This will be what? 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 is 10, like this. This is the completed Venn diagram. See now in the cricket 15 and 10 if you add 25 are there. In the football 10 and 10 if you add 20 are there. These are common. So 10 play both. 10 play what? Both. First unknown you should take it as x. Here cricket they gave 25. 25 can be written as 25 minus x and this x. Football 20 they gave. 20 in that remove x already because you filled x here. So 20 minus x plus x becomes 20. Now if you add all this, it should be equal to 50 minus 15. Here if it is not there means we can take it directly. I hope all of you got this. Let us start with the second problem. In the second problem, total number of students they give 100. 35 play football, 45 play football, 45 play basketball, 35 play indoor games. This is what is given. And 10 play both. 10 play what? Both basketball and football. 15 play basketball and indoor games, and 5 play basketball, football and indoor games, all three. If 15 do not play any game, find how many play football and indoor game. This is the question. Read the question carefully. And before I go to this question, we can do by two methods as usual. All of you know, one is Venn diagram method, the other one is cardinal number relation method. First we will conclude with cardinal number relation method. That is n of A union B union C. How many sets I have taken? 3 sets. Formula is simple. N of A union B union C is add all. Add all means what? N of A plus N of B plus N of C plus add common to all. Common to all means what? A intersection B intersection C. If you want n of A union B union C, add n of A plus n of B plus n of C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Add that. Then remove 2 common, that is minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C. This is the cardinal number relation, which if you are thorough, it will become easy. Formula method. Can you remember this formula? What is the formula? N of A union B union C means union of three sets is sum of all n of A plus n of B plus n of C. Then add common n of A intersection B intersection C, all three common. Then remove two elements intersection. Remove common to two elements. Remove A intersection B, remove B intersection C, A intersection B. Observe the formula. Keep it in mind, write and practice. Then we'll apply this. What is n of A union B union C? N of A plus n of B plus n of C plus n of A intersection B intersection C minus n of A union B minus n of B union C minus n of A intersection C. AB, BC, AC you remove. A union A intersection B, B intersection C and A intersection C. This is n of A intersection B, n of B intersection C, n of A intersection C. Remove 2. Can you recollect this? We'll apply the same. I'll erase this. Now what is given? 100 students are there. 100 students means, can I say universal? Total means universal. 100 are there. 35 play football. 35 play football. 35 play football. Let F be the set called football. So n of F, they give how much? 35. 45 play basketball. N of B, B means basketball, that is 45. And 35 play indoor games. 35 play indoor games. 35 play indoor games, that is 35. Now observe, 100 are there in universal. Football players 35, basketball 45, indoor 35, whatever is given. So F stands for football, and you should mention that in the beginning. Right, let F be the set of football players and B be the set of basketball players, I be the indoor players. Now wrote it. Then what else is given? 10 play football and means what? Intersect. And or both means intersection. So football and basketball, F intersection B is given, that is 10. And further you do it, 15 play basket and indoor. 15 play basket and indoor. B intersection I is 15 play basket and indoor 15. And 5 play basket, football and indoor. Means 5 are in all three. N of football intersection basketball intersection indoor is 5. 15 do not play any game. 15 do not play any game. Means N of football union basketball union indoor game. Do not means complement. Football, those who play all, say number of students playing football, basketball, indoor complement. Do not means dash is how much? 15. In last problem I taught you, if you know whole dash, you can find this. So therefore from this, N of F union B union I is N of universal minus N of F union B union I dash. So N of U means total number of students. Total number of students means universal set. Number of elements in universal is 100 minus, who do not place 15. 100 minus 15 you do, that will become 85. Now they have not given union, we got union. What is union? N of F union B union I is 100 minus 15, that is 85. You got union value also. So now use the formula. What is the formula I taught you? So we have a formula, N of, what are the three sets we have? Football union, basketball union, and what is the other game? Football indoor games. I is equal to N of F plus N of B plus N of I plus N of F intersection B intersection I, and remove 2 minus N of F intersection B minus N of B intersection I minus N of F intersection. The last one is Fi, sorry. Football and indoor, this is 85. This is union, F union B union I ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. we got it. 100 out of those who do not play. If I in universal remove those who do not play, you will get union, that is 85. I wrote it. And then n of f, what is n of f? 35 plus n of b 45, n of I 35 plus f intersection b intersection I, all three is what? 5. Whatever is given I am substituting, that's it. Then fb you should remove, f and b 10 remove, minus b and I 15 minus f intersection I. This is we need to find. So in the beginning we can say how many play football and indoor they want. For how many play football and indoor, we call it as x. So now I need to find this x, that is minus x. So now you solve this equation and get x. So LHS 85, RHS add it, 30, 40, 70, 70, 10, 80, 80, 10, 90, 90, 30, 120, 120 minus 10, 110, 110 minus 15, 110 minus 15, you can use calculator, 95, 95 minus x, RHS becomes 95 minus x after simplification. Rearrange this. So now you need x, minus x transfer this side, I will write it here, 85 is equal to, I have 95 minus x bring this side, it will become x, 95, transfer 85 to RHS, so it will become minus 85. So x is 95 minus 85, 95 minus 85 is 10. So therefore, what is the conclusion? 10 play both. Intersection means what? Both. 10 play, you got x, what is x? 10. X means f intersection I. 10 play both football and indoor. Football and what? Indoor. I hope all of you got this. 10 play both. So now this is the case. Now the same problem you can also do by Venn diagram. How to do this? A intersection B intersection C is n of A plus n of B plus n of C plus all three. Like this, n of F union B union I is n of F plus n of I, n of B plus n of I plus all three plus n of what? F intersection B intersection I minus, remove 2 minus F intersection B minus n of B intersection I minus n of F intersection I. If you are thorough with the formula, this is easy. I hope all of you got this. Read this, analyze, observe, understand. So similarly, this problem can also be done by Venn diagram method, but Venn diagram method, it will become little hectic. So you can follow the formula method. You can use Venn diagram, draw the Venn diagram, take all three regions and you will get the answer. Then out of 250 people, 160 drink coffee, 90 drink tea, 85 drink milk, 45 drink coffee and tea, 35 drink tea and milk, 25 drink all three. How many will drink coffee and milk? So we will make them as 3 sets and we will symbolize them. That is the first thing. Out of 250, so universal set is 250, n of u is 250. So 160 drink coffee, n of C, people drinking coffee, I call them as C. C is what? 160. And n of 90 drink tea, n of T, 90 people drink tea. Then 85 drink milk, n of M is 85. And then 45 drink coffee and tea, 45 drink coffee and tea, C and T, 45. Then 35 drink tea and milk, 35 drink tea and milk, 20 drink all, 20 drink all means what? Coffee and tea and milk is 20. How many will drink coffee and milk? They are asking how many will drink coffee and milk. How many drinks C and M? This is the question. I am repeating, use the formula and directly you do. Out of 250 people, 160, 90, 85, 45 and like this. How many will drink coffee and milk? See here, they have not mentioned that some people won't drink anything. So all the people out of 250, some are drinking tea, some are drinking coffee, some are drinking milk, some are drinking any two, some are drinking all three. So therefore I can take 250 is itself universal itself. In this case, n of u is same as n of C union T union M. My dear students, make it say n of U is what? 250. Union is 250. I no need to remove anything. In last problems we used to remove those who do not involve in any. But all the people are involved because they have not mentioned anything. So universal itself is C union T union M, that is 250. Now use the formula. What is the formula? N of C union T union M can be written as N of C plus N of T plus N of M plus N of C intersection T intersection M minus remove 2 remove 2 means N of C intersection T minus N of C T intersection M minus N of C intersection M. Now I wrote the formula, substitute in the formula and get the answer. So now C of U, C union T union M is 250, LHS is 250 is equal to RHS N of C. So 160 drinks coffee, here they give, plus N of T. What is N of T given? 90, and then 85. All three so much, 20 plus 20. N of C plus N of T plus N of M plus C intersection T intersection M. Now you remove 2. That is this one. T intersection M, C intersection M. C intersection coffee intersection milk, this is not given. C intersection T, coffee and T. Coffee and tea have they given? Yes, here 45. Minus 45 minus. And we need T intersection milk, tea and milk. Tea and milk. Do we have, do they give tea and milk? Yeah, here 35. Tea and milk minus this C intersection M, coffee and milk. They have not given, let it be as it is. Now you solve this, you will get it. So next step I will carry here, I will write it, 250 is equal to 160 plus 90. 160 plus 90 is 250. 250 plus 20, 270, 270 plus 85, 270 plus 85, 355, 355 minus 45, 355 minus 45, 310, 310 minus 35, 310 minus 35, use calculators for this, 275 minus N of C intersection M. Now simplify this, rearrange this. If you rearrange this, transfer this term to this side, so bring this to this side. So N of C intersection M is equal to, right side we have 275, transfer this 250 to the RHS, so we will get 25. So 25 people do like coffee and milk, they will drink coffee and milk. Intersection means what? Both are and. So we got this. I hope all of you understood this. So now we have discussed 3 different problems. Let me summarize. We can do the same problem by Venn diagram also, but it is hectic. So now let me summarize what we have discussed. Read this formula and start solving the problems. So first one I taught you, A union B you can also find when they give universal minus complement. Universal minus complement. And second one I taught, N of A intersection B, if you want you can write N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. And the third important relation we use today is N of 3 elements union. N of A union B union C is N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus plus all 3, A intersection B intersection C, add all 3. A union B is A plus B plus C plus common to all and remove 2 minus N of A, remove 2 common elements, minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C. So these are the 3 formulae. If you are thorough with, you can solve. Sometimes if they don't give, do not, then N of U acts as N of A union B. And then I taught you Venn diagram. This is universal set, these are the sets, this is the common region, intersection region. If I add all these things, that will be union. Like that we have done. and cardinal number relations, Venn diagram. Any method is accepted. Both the methods I taught you. I expect you people to sit and work out the remaining problems. Okay, now I have done exactly 3 problems from the exercise, which are all important, but you should become thorough with the cardinal number relation. Read the problem, write it in terms of cardinal number, and apply and solve the problems. I'll see you in my next session. In my next session, I'll completing all the problems of the exercise. Thanks for attending. Thank you.